They told us it was impossible. 300 days, one family, zero compromises. This isn't about gardening, it's about reclaiming our bloodline. February. The papers were signed. The soil was clay and grief. Experts said to wait. For infrastructure, for the perfect season. We didn't wait. Bathroom became greenhouse. Kitchen became laboratory. March. The move. Transplanting an entire philosophy of existence. 4,000 square feet of planting. This was ecosystem architecture. Then came April, the month that broke us. Budget collapsed. We moved into a barn with no walls, no kitchen, no refrigeration. When your why is strong, how is inevitable. Sauerkraut became our refrigerator. Kimchi became our medicine. Night 17. Water found every gap. All soaked. But in that stripped-down existence, we found wealth. My daughter learned 47 edible weeds before chapter books. June. One perfect tomato, warmer than any sugar. July exploded. Zucchini the size of baseball bats. The corn reached 10 feet. We hosted an ecosystem. Preserving season. The moment that separates dreamers from doers. Zero waste. Every leaf, stem, and root found purpose. Blanching became meditation. Peeling became prayer. 5 years ago, I was pre-diabetic. Brain fog stole my 30s. This isn't romantic. Your cells recognize what your grandmother ate. Red tomatoes, golden peaches. We were eating the rainbow. Hard truth? Nights ended at 3 a.m. Feet ached. I'd see my daughter asleep. This is legacy work. Labeling became art class. The kitchen became our university. I'm not here to sell fantasy. My back still hurts. Snow covers the garden. I open a jar of August. That pop of the seal, that inhale of summer and winter. This isn't about fear, it's about thriving regardless. Grocery bill dropped 73%. Skills compound faster than interest. We saved 12,000 seeds, 12,000 future meals, 12,000 genetic memories stored in paper envelopes. What else is possible? That's the question I want you asking. Not perfection, the radical possibility of feeding yourself. You don't need 10,000 square feet, just one decision. Winter is coming. What did you plant while the sun shone? Hold something you grew, something that outlasts this week's crisis. The industrial system stole our silence. We're stealing it back. 847 plants, 4 in 23 jars, and we're just beginning. Goal isn't independence, it's relationship with soil and seasons. The soil doesn't care about your follower count, just attention. My daughter grows food from seed. What will her children know? Real harvest, not calories, competence, generational memory. I failed at 47 things. Raccoons won some battles. Failure is data. The garden is a research laboratory. We won the war. We kept planting, kept showing up. August 15th, we processed tomatoes until 4 a.m. and laughed. Joy isn't in the finish, it's in the fermentation. Microscopic ecosystems create medicine. Probiotics, preservation. The industrial system needs you dependent, confused. But you have hands, need bread, build soil. My hands changed, calluses in new places, soil nails. I used to wait for permission. Then I started immediately. First attempt embarrassing. By 5th season, you'll be teaching. We changed the system by making it irrelevant, one jar at a time. Millions of quiet revolutionaries, soil under nails. Headlines scream scarcity. We walk to our pantry. Prices surge. We open jars from seasons of abundance. This is emotional regulation, knowing you can feed your family. Botany, chemistry, work ethic, all in one tomato plant. We study it, then we taste it. The loop closes perfectly. Under stars, I wonder. Is this obsession or what humans are supposed to do? For 10,000 years, this was normal. We are traditionalists. Our DNA remembers this. The satisfaction, the security, it's cellular. Inflammation down 60%. Energy consistent. Brain fog lifted. My doctor asked about medication. I said soil. He should have written it down. Medicine versus food as medicine. Root cause healing. Dependency versus sovereignty. Health is peace, confidence, joy. Gardening gives all three. We trade with neighbors, tomatoes for honey, kraut for eggs, money optional. Relationship-based, surplus-driven, community-centered, it always worked. Strangers send seeds, the network grows, the system becomes irrelevant. Open-source agriculture, sharing what works, evolution in real time. We grow 47 varieties, diversity is insurance. Plants that struggle show what soil needs, ones that thrive show possibility. A teaspoon of soil contains more life than humans on Earth. The wood wide web. Fungi sharing nutrients. The garden is intelligent. I spend time just being. The plants communicate if you're quiet. mindfulness without an app, meditation that produces calories, presence that feeds. Time moves differently, hours like minutes, seasons teach patience. The garden dies and resurrects. Prepare for renewal. Death is preparation. Waste becomes wealth. Rot becomes resurrection. The compost pile is spiritual. 120 degrees. We create conditions for life to heat itself. I track everything. Temperature, yield. For conversation with the land. Data plus mystery. The garden demands full human engagement. I think differently, problem solve, accept cycles, work with, not against. Pests are puzzles, failure is feedback. The garden is the best teacher. Memorize versus adapt. One prepares for tests, the other for life. My children solve real problems. They don't need grades, they need gardens. Hail destroyed tomatoes. We didn't panic. We problem solved together. We made sauce from survivors. Nothing wasted, that's the lesson. The hail sauce. Story and sustenance, setback and comeback. Our pantry is a museum of perseverance. Every jar holds weather survived. I can tell every story, where it grew, what went wrong, food with memory. Barcodes versus biography. Know your food's life. Death matters more when you knew it. We raise meat. Death is hard but honest. The circle is visible. Children understand death through participation. Life feeds life, just reality. Grace means something now. Gratitude is inevitable, not ritual, reality. Thank you, tomato, for patience, kraut for transformation, soil for foundation. We give back. Relationship is reciprocal, not extraction, partnership. The original contract. Care for the soil. Break it and starve. Terms clear. We choose regeneration. Every seed saved, pesticide refused. Small acts, big impact. Our garden sequesters carbon, saves water, builds biodiversity. Life creates conditions for life. Bees we didn't buy, frogs we didn't invite, ecosystem in balance. Participate in management, intelligence is distributed, soil, plants, weather, us. I'm one node in this web, not the center. Participant humility. Shadow shrinks as ecosystem flourishes. Collaborate, don't dominate. Marriage, parenting, community, work with intelligence present, don't impose yours. We argue less, listen more, trained in patience and response over reaction. The garden punishes reactivity, rewards patience. Solutions are often elegant, simple, obvious in retrospect, visible to the patient eye. Attention, I see more. Notice what I missed. Perception expanded, more human. Wealth isn't full pantries, capacity to fill them, hands that made them. Leaving children something better than money. Ability to feed themselves, know themselves through work. Never fear hunger, never feel helpless. Legacy. Grandmother preserved, mother bought industrial, I preserve again. Chain repairs. Not just personal, historical, remembering what was forgotten, reclaiming what was lost. Millions are remembering. It's not nostalgia, it's survival, thriving. Join us, not as followers, as rememberers. Start with one seed. From seed to sovereignty, consumer to creator, the garden is waiting. Subscribe, not to watch, to begin. Your 300 days start today. Let's grow. The garden is waiting. Let's grow together now.